I can't wait to get to work. I love my job. I love the vision of taking care of the child and making sure they're at home with their families, because that's where the kids belong.
There's no other place like it. I've been hospital-based for 13 years, and I started looking into other options, and I researched PHS, and I was just awed by it. The people, I was told from the beginning, if I'm ever in a situation and I need to make a decision, as long as I put the child first, it's the right decision.
I worked adults and I worked emergency room before, and there's nothing like taking care of kids.
Probably big is the kids come in and knowing that I'm doing the best job I can to take care of them and make sure that they stay home.
The children's personalities just make an impression on you, and it just makes you want to come to work.
That's just where my passion lies with pharmacy. I want to be able to provide the best care we can for these pediatric patients, who some have never been out of the hospital until we can help bring them home.
I take a lot of pride in getting these kids home and keeping them home. And it's just, every day it's a success.
The best part of my job was watching those kids grow up and become a real kid out there in society. And they're going to grow up and go to college and get married and hold jobs and pay taxes like the rest of us.
In the past, I used to be a patient myself, and I have polio. And when I used to be young, I was relying on other people for the things that I need in a day-to-day basis. So I took this opportunity and this chance to serve the other people or the other patient that they rely on us for that. So I will give my best to do this job right.
Actually, this is the first company that I've worked for that I've really been passionate about what I do, because you really get to see all the different angles of it and how you really affect the families. And getting to take the child home is just, I can't even explain how good that makes you feel and how you can help the families that are so stressed out with all the things going on in their child's lives. You could just make them feel at ease. It's just unbelievable.
I remember going out to the home for a follow-up one day, and all of a sudden looked at this little boy who was running and giggling and laughing and playing with his two older sisters, and thinking back to the fact that he did not even weigh as much as a can of pop when he was born, and now looking at him interacting, just being a very active little boy, just rewarding beyond words.
Your heart just grows, and just the feeling of accomplishment when the parents smile, or when their child took their first bite of food and you see the tears in their eyes or the sense of accomplishment in their eyes.